Getting enough protein on a daily basis is essential for your overall health. What we think of as protein is actually a large category of molecules. They give structure and support to your cells and are necessary for immune function, movement, chemical reactions, hormone synthesis, and more. They're all made up of tiny building blocks called amino acids. 9 of these are considered essential, meaning your body needs them but can't make them on its own, so you need to get them in your diet. How much protein you need to consume per day depends on factors like your body size, activity levels, age, pregnancy status. Some people need more protein than others. However, it's important that everyone get optimal amounts of protein for them by eating protein-rich foods regularly. Not only is protein essential for your health, but it's also the most filling macronutrient. Consuming it can keep you feeling full and satisfied, which supports a healthy body weight. The current recommended dietary allowance for protein is set at 0.36 grams of protein per pound of your body weight. Keep in mind that this reflects the minimum amount of protein required to meet your body's needs. However, most active people, older adults, and people who are pregnant or breastfeeding require much more than that. Fortunately, hitting your protein requirements can be easy if you include plenty of protein-rich foods in your diet. Number 1. Eggs. Whole eggs are among the most nutritious foods available. They're a good source of protein that's easy to absorb, and they're also an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. For example, whole eggs are packed with selenium and vitamins B12 and A. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that's especially important during pregnancy and breastfeeding because it plays critical roles in growth and development. Keep in mind that egg whites are almost pure protein, but whole eggs that include the yolk provide many more nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Number 2. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious tree nut rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. They're also high in plant-based protein. Eating almonds may benefit your health in several ways, including by lowering heart disease risk factors like high LDL cholesterol and high blood pressure. Number 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent choice if you're trying to bump up your protein intake. In addition to protein, chicken provides a variety of B vitamins, plus minerals like zinc and selenium. Chicken breast is also very versatile and easy to cook. It can taste delicious in a wide range of dishes. Try adding sliced chicken breast to salads, stir-fries, and soups to make these dishes more filling. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is low in fat and calories, yet high in protein. It's rich in calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and various other nutrients. Plus, research suggests that cottage cheese is just as filling as eggs, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying meal or snack. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also called strained yogurt, is a very thick type of yogurt that's high in protein. It has a creamy texture and is a good source of many nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, selenium, and zinc. Number 6. Milk. Dairy milk contains a little of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's a good source of high-quality protein, and it's high in vitamins and minerals, like calcium, phosphorus, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. Many people with lactose intolerance can't tolerate milk and other dairy products, and they avoid many dairy-containing foods. Fortunately, there's a variety of lactose-free products now on the market, including lactose-free milk, cheeses, and yogurts. If you drink dairy milk, including lactose-free milk, it can be a good choice to increase your protein intake. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are among the richest sources of plant-based protein you can eat, making them an excellent choice if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Plus, they're loaded with other nutrients too, including fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, and manganese. Studies show that people who regularly consume lentils and other legumes have a lower risk of developing health conditions like heart disease and fatty liver disease. Number 8. Lean beef. Lean beef is a rich source of protein. It's also high in bioavailable iron, zinc, selenium, and vitamins B12 and B6. Red meat can be a part of a healthy diet, but it's best to moderate your intake. Consuming high amounts of red meat has been linked to a higher risk of developing certain health conditions, including colorectal cancer. Number 9. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein and provides a number of important vitamins and minerals, like iodine, selenium, and vitamin B12. People who include a lot of fish in their diet tend to have a lower risk of health conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Plus, fatty fish like salmon and herring are high in omega-3 fats, which have powerful benefits for your overall health, including supporting heart health. Fortunately, there are many high-protein foods to choose from, including animal and plant-based sources. Try adding a few of the high-protein foods on this list into your diet to help meet your daily needs.